Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy fractional share on Moomoo. So first you need to do is open up Moomoo website and then create your account and log in. After this, what you need to do is go to trade tab and from there select support fractional trading in order page for the stock that support fractional trading. Select the market or limit as your order type and enter the quantity in decimals to place an fractional order. Or you can place an amount based order by switching quantity to amount on trade page. Dollar value orders will be converted into share quantity for executions to 4 decimal places. You can refer to transaction history for actual quantity execution. After submitting, your fractional share order will be shown in orders and field or cancel section. So that's how you can buy fractional share on Moomoo. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.